Hello friends! I just got the biggest box in the mail from Beachbody, and I'm going to share with you the brand new program that just arrived. Welcome everybody! Look what I just got! I got the biggest box in the mail, and the girls in our Disney Fitness Challenge group are all getting their packages in the mail this week, and I was like, when is mine gonna show up? So this is a bonus video during Vlogmas, because I'm sharing planner videos every day in the month of December. I wanted to share a non-planner video that is the unboxing of our new program. I want to interrupt your Vlogmas to share this because we're starting this new program January 4. It's going to be unlike any other program I have ever done before, or you have ever done before. It involves a control track, so we can really work our shoulders and our back muscles and other muscles too, I'm sure. It's going to involve a ball and a step and free weights and all the things, and I will have you covered if you want to do this with us. I know in December it's hard to start a new fitness routine. I know in December we're just not thinking that way. A lot of us aren't. But I know January is coming, and I know that the state of our world, a gym may not necessarily be a place that you want to be right now. So I love that I can work out from home. Being an introvert, I love working out from home. I don't like going to the gym and having everyone stare at me. I don't like going to the gym and not knowing what to do. So following a program has been a game changer for me, and following a program and having connection with other women online that are cheering each other on and having access to a coach that can cheer me on and point me in the right direction has changed everything for me. So if that is something you're interested in, or you're just here to see what's inside my 9-week Control Freak box, let's jump in. All right, so this box has everything in it that I need for January to get started on my health and fitness journey. It comes with 1 year subscription to our online fitness community. So you have access to over 1,000 different workouts, including this new, speaking too fast, my brain can't catch up, including this newest program called 9-week Control Freak. So you have access to every workout that I have ever shared here, as well as the newest one, 9-week Control Freak. You get a choice of superfoods or pre-workout and post-workout muscle recovery. So I drink every day. I'm drinking it now. My pre-workout, this is the lemon, but it comes in mixed berry and fruit punch. I go between mixed berry and lemon. I kind of go that way. I love them both, but they're all yummy. And then this box, so you get a choice between the pre-workout, post-workout muscle recovery shake, or Shakeology. And so in this box, I got Shakeology. You can get it in packets or a big tub. This one is chocolate and vanilla, so I can switch it up depending on how I'm feeling. And then you got a whole bunch of goodies. So before I get into the goodies, let me share with you, they have clothes for the new program. I am all about a good t-shirt. So I got the 9-week Control Freak t-shirt, and then they also launched a hoodie. So that is coming in the mail. I don't have it yet. It has shipped and I can't wait. But then we have all kinds of goodies in here. So let's start off with this program. Includes a ball. So I'm going to blow that up here, and we'll have a ball for the program. It also involves a track. So this track is going to go on your door, or if you do not have a door that is that fits for this, it can't have any decorative glass. So mine has decorative glass. I can't use it. You can install it on a wall that has a stud. So I had to pick up just a couple pieces from my hardware store. It's just 2 of these eyelets, and the program tells you exactly what you need, so it's really easy to find, and they're each like $2 each. And then I grabbed one of these clips. So you need 2 of these and 2 of this, so that way you can connect this on your wall, so you can do the control movements on there. And then to go on the control track, we have these bands with handles. So there's different colors. There's a pink and a reddish color one. It's gonna be super fun. And then also, because I got the Shakeology, I got a Shakeology Shaker Cup. Love that. And let's see here. There's a choice of 2 different nutrition plans, but you get access to both. So there's loaded with recipes video recipes and ones you can print. So there's 2 programs that you can choose from, and I've done both of them. So if you need help or you have questions, there's 2B Mindset as well as Ultimate Portion Fix. So for Ultimate Portion Fix, Autumn is the creator of that as well as this program, 9 Week Control Freak, and you get these colored coded containers. And so you get one of each of these colors, and you get to eat so much of each color depending on how much you weigh and your goals, whether you're wanting to lose weight or maintain. And it's so easy to see your food groups and to figure out what you need to eat and how much. The next one is for 2B Mindset. It comes with a tracker. So for those of you girls that are a planner girl like me, if you've been watching my planner videos this month, you know, like, I love this. I love this. It's colored, and it has it mapped out for you to track your water and your food. And 2B Mindset really helps you, really simplifies your food. So you can figure out how much of each one you need to be eating each day, and of each food group, and really focusing on having water first and veggies most. So simplifying the food can be a game changer for you. All right, and then lots and lots of paper goodies. This is always my favorite when I jump into a new program. I love reading all the paper stuff. But if you're a planner girl, you know. So this says Read Me First, and it has all the instructions on the workouts and how to stream them and how to find them, where to go for your nutrition program so you can find all the information, and then on your supplements, whether you got a superfood shake and pre and post workout muscle recovery shake. And then the other side of this whole thing is in Spanish. So if you speak Spanish, I love that. I love that they have it in English and Spanish, so it's there for you. There is a guide on how to install the control track. You just need a drill and a stud finder, and those 2 little pieces that I mentioned. There's a Shakeology recipe book. So yummy. There are, let's see here, peanut butter cup recipes, almond espresso energy balls, and then lots of like yummy, delicious Shakeology recipes. Like, oh, so good. And the Shakeology, the reason why I drink it every day is it helps me stay on track with my nutrition. It gives me all the nutrients I need for the day, but it really helps me curb my sugar cravings. And it's so yummy. so good. All right, the next thing we have is a Get Started guide. This is so beautiful. And again, one side is all in English and the next is in Spanish. And it's mapping out the program for you and sharing, like, what are we in for? What are we doing? What's the plan? But we're gonna stick together for 9 weeks, and we're gonna do it together for 9 weeks. So the next thing we have is a nutrition guide. Love this. The most delicious, yummy recipes are in here. And it's beautiful. There's maple chai roasted chickpeas, English muffin nut butter. Oh. So good. Cheesy cauliflower nachos. I have not tried that one, but doesn't that look good? What a great way to get in your veggies and not have it taste like veggies. It's gorgeous. There's so many yummy recipes that are in here. And then last but not least is probably my favorite thing. It comes with a dry erase marker. And then this is your brag board. Again, one side in English, one in Spanish. But look at it. I love a good calendar, right, girls? So as we're tracking our rounds, our reps, all the things that we're doing, there's a spot to be marking off all the workouts. So it's 5 workouts a week, 2 rest days, 9 weeks total. We start January 4. If you're needing something this year, you're needing a change, you know you're having all the fun food and you're having such a good time this December, or maybe you're not having a good time this December, but you know that you want to feel good. Join us in January. Just comment down below, or you can email me, MederoGreenMoments@gmail.com, and we can chat more. Or you can find me on Instagram, ElizabethMedero_. I'm talking about this and sharing. Right now, all the girls that join me for January, I'm sending them a tie-dye headband, and we're gonna celebrate each other, and we're gonna work hard together and push each other. All right, girls, I just had to share with you. I was so excited it arrived in the mail. Thanks for hanging out with me. More planner videos will be coming tomorrow, but I just had to interrupt to let you know about this one. All right, bye guys.